Okay guys, so you clicked on this video because you're wondering why you keep seeing the Stake logo absolutely everywhere on social media. You get paid for putting the Stake logo on your content, guys. So this is why everyone's putting it on their stuff, and this is why the Stake logo has become kind of infamous on Twitter and everything, just seeing it on all the meme pages and all the streamer clips pages, because they get paid. But I bet you didn't know how much they get paid for it, which is what I'm going to jump into right now. Okay guys, so here's the page where it shows you how much they pay, and right here you can see it's a $50,000 pot that is paid out to Clippers. So what this means, guys, is that the more views you bring in, the higher the pot you get. So if you bring in 10 million views, you maybe get paid $6,000 to $8,000. If you bring in 100,000 views, you may only get paid 40, 50 bucks. Now this is a lot of money, obviously, guys, when you can run a page up like this. If I posted consistently on this page, guys, I could easily get around 30 million views a month, which would then net me around about $6,000 per month just on this one page. Just on this one page with 32,000 followers. So when you think about that, guys, that is actually insane. It's way better than the Create Rewards program on TikTok that pays around about 25-30 cents per 1,000 views. So this is why you're seeing it everywhere, guys, because it's so much easier to monetize with the Stake logo, and it's way easier to make money than all the other monetization programs the social media platforms have. Now this is why you keep seeing Fearbuck and a lot of other people who post the Stake logo on the actual content. It's kind of died down a little bit recently, but it's still absolutely huge. The thing is with Twitter clipping with Stake logo, you get paid a smaller amount, okay guys? So you get paid, I think it's 10 to 20 bucks per 100,000 views, which is not that much, but on Twitter it's way easier to get views and the engagement is kind of worse. Now if you guys are interested in learning how you can do this, then join my Discord down below. It's completely free. I have a whole guide in there how you can get started clipping, and it's completely free. Stake is a really hard server to get into, guys. Again, if you guys doubt me clipping or any of the videos I make or authenticity, just ask any clipper how hard it is to get in a Stake server, and I'll tell you it's literally one of the most hardest to get into. There's wait lists and everything. The best thing to do, guys, is to join my free Discord, go through the guide. I'll help you build up a decent clipping page where you can start bringing some okay money and some okay views. From there, you can then apply for the Stake server to get into, and then you can start monetizing your content with the Stake logo. Now that's definitely the easiest method to get started. There is other providers that do let you put their logos on the content that you're making, but the only problem with that is you get paid a lot less, like $100 per million views. Stake logo pays about $400 to $500 per million views if you put their logo on streamer clips and other stuff like this on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Again, guys, on X it's a lot lower of pay because it's just so much easier to get views on X and the engagement is awful, but on here you get paid a lot. So if you guys want to get started, it's definitely worth clipping for other logo campaigns. And what I mean by that is there's another logo server called Rainbet, which I'm about to touch on in the next video. So go watch that if you want, guys. But that was basically where you can start clipping, and you only need literally like 500 followers or just to get a couple million, 1 million views over the course of a month, and you'll be able to get into that. And that's where you can start clipping with logo campaigns. And from there, when you start clipping for logo campaigns for them, from that point, it's a lot easier to get in these other servers because they know your page is already built up and they know you know what you're doing when it comes to clipping and logo campaign clipping. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, join my free Discord down below. I've got a whole guide in there. Thank you very much for watching. Peace, guys.